not nearly as dense as their Californian cousins. So just why is a sea otter so furry?
Sea otters spend 95% of their lives in the water. The ambient temperature is really quite warm, but the water itself is quite chilly, maybe around about 10 degrees. If I fell in there, I probably wouldn't last that long. Other sea creatures like sea lions, walruses, they've got blubber. It's this thermal layer that protects